What sets apart those who achieve extraordinary success from the rest of us? Is it their intelligence, luck, or perhaps some hidden secret? Well, my friends, the answer lies in the power of their daily routines and their habits. These are the keystones of greatness, the rituals that shape their destinies. Habits, in their essence, are the daily routines and behaviors that shape our lives. Highly successful individuals have honed their habits to act as powerful tools for achieving their goals and maintaining their success. Here are 7 key habits often observed in such individuals. 1. Goal setting and planning. Picture this. Goals are like a roadmap to success. Highly successful individuals don't just wander through life aimlessly. They have a destination in mind. They set clear, specific objectives, often using the SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound criteria, which guides their actions with precision. Furthermore, they don't stop at merely setting goals. They break them down into bite-sized, actionable steps. By doing so, they transform daunting long-term visions into manageable daily tasks, making their journey to success feel both feasible and empowering. 2. Time management. Time, the most finite and irreplaceable resource in the universe, is highly prized by successful individuals. They understand that how they manage their time determines their level of productivity and ultimately their success. These high achievers embrace prioritization. They identify the most important tasks and tackle them first, ensuring that essential work gets done before distractions creep in. With the help of calendars, schedules, and task lists, they create structured, efficient days, leaving no room for procrastination or wasted moments. 3. Continuous learning. The adage, "Knowledge is power," rings especially true for highly successful individuals. They're like sponges, always eager to absorb new information and skills. They read voraciously, seeking knowledge from books, articles, and research papers. They take courses and attend workshops to stay at the forefront of their field. They value mentorship, seeking guidance from those who have walked similar paths. This commitment to lifelong learning keeps them adaptable and competitive in a rapidly evolving world. 4. Resilience and adaptability. Life isn't a smooth paved highway for anyone, even the most successful. What sets them apart is their ability to bounce back from adversity. They view setbacks not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities for growth. With resilience, they weather the storms of failure, criticism, and rejection. Adaptability is their secret weapon. They embrace change, adjusting their strategies and tactics as needed. In this way, they evolve, finding innovative solutions and staying ahead of the curve. 5. Networking and relationship building. No one succeeds in isolation. Highly successful individuals understand the power of relationships and connections. They actively invest time and effort in building and nurturing a strong network, both personally and professionally. They know that the people they surround themselves with can offer support, opportunities, and valuable insights. Cultivating these relationships isn't a transaction. It's a genuine long-term investment in their personal and career growth. 6. Healthy lifestyle. A strong, healthy body and a sharp mind are the cornerstones of sustained success. High achievers prioritize their physical and mental well-being. Regular exercise not only keeps them physically fit, but also sharpens their mental acuity. A balanced diet fuels their bodies with the energy needed for peak performance. Quality sleep, often an underrated habit, is non-negotiable, as it recharges their minds and bodies for the day ahead. They understand that without a healthy vessel, their journey to success would be much more challenging. 7. Mindfulness and focus. Amidst the chaos of modern life, highly successful individuals practice mindfulness and unwavering focus. They recognize the power of the present moment. By minimizing multitasking, they ensure their full attention is devoted to the task at hand, maximizing productivity. Distractions are ruthlessly eliminated, allowing them to delve deep into their work. This level of focus doesn't just enhance their efficiency, it also elevates the quality of their output, setting them apart in their respective fields. So, you might be wondering, how can I cultivate these habits and embark on my journey toward success? It's simple, my friend. Start small, stay persistent, and believe in your potential. Your habits are the building blocks of your future. Every day is an opportunity to take one step closer to the life you envision. So, As you forge your path, remember that success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay committed, keep learning, and never underestimate the transformative power of your daily habits. Your greatness awaits. Thanks a bunch for tuning into this video on Grow Rich. I really hope you got some value and juicy information out of it. If you had a blast and found it helpful, do me a solid favor. Smash that like button and hit the subscribe. By subscribing, you'll be in the front row for all our upcoming content that's going to turbocharge your journey to financial prosperity. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the good stuff. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in our next mind-blowing video.